Brandon M. Scott is an American politician. He is the mayor of Baltimore and the former president of Baltimore City Council. He was a candidate for lieutenant governor of Maryland in 2018, as well as a representative for Baltimore's 2nd District. On May 6, 2019, Scott was elected to replace Jack Young as council president after Young succeeded Mayor Catherine Pugh. In September 2019, Scott announced his candidacy for mayor and won the June 2020 Democratic primary. Scott won the November 3 general election and took office on December 8, 2020. Scott was born and raised in Park Heights. He graduated from Mergenthaler Vocational Technical High School and received a degree in political science from St. Mary's College. After graduating, he worked as a liaison for City Council President Stephanie Rawlings Blake. After graduating from college, Scott worked as a liaison for City Council President Stephanie Rawlings Blake. In 2011, he was elected to serve as the city councilperson for the 2nd District, making him one of the youngest ever elected to city office. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.